Nike Sportswear continues to reinvent the classic Vomero 5, a running shoe originally introduced in the early 2010s. Known for its Cushlon cushioning and breathable upper, the Vomero 5th may no longer be Nike Running's top performance model, but its popularity has surged over the past 2 years as a lifestyle staple. Nike has released multiple colorways that help turn this once performance-focused shoe into an everyday go-to for sneaker fans. The latest version arrives in a black, court purple, and hyper-grape color scheme, highlighted by silver reflective accents across the upper. The color combination draws strong comparisons to the Baltimore Ravens, making it especially eye-catching during the team's current Super Bowl push. The design balances comfort, retro appeal, and modern styling, which explains why the Vomero 5 remains in high demand. Official images are already available, and pairs are expected to release quietly through Nike's official website in the near future.